What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ali back with another banger. Well, it's probably not really a banger. We're just going to be talking about some lights, so it might be more like a little tap or maybe a little knock at your door or something like that. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at these lights, and I think in one of my other videos I talked about some Chrysler logo lights that I had for the puddle lights. So this time I'm going with the 300, and the reason I got rid of the other ones and went back to the straight LED lights was because those, over time, they degraded. You couldn't even tell it was a Chrysler logo anymore. I don't know if it was the heat from the light, or I don't know. I don't know if it was just the elements or whatever that got to them, but they didn't last. So these, they have the claim that they do not fade and that they use a high transparent nano glass lens, high brightness and clear pattern, high quality chips, do not fade. And so plug and play, flame retardant, they have all these claims and everything. So we're going to put it to the test. I'm going to see how long they last. Of course, that means I'll have to do a follow-up video at some point, but I figured, hey, why not give it a try and see how it goes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But before we jump into that, I do want to talk about the upcoming giveaway. And it was basically a 300 subscriber giveaway. But before I could even post a video or really come up with an idea for what I wanted to give away, we hit 300 subscribers and passed it. You guys are blowing the channel up. I sure appreciate it, man. I enjoy reading all of your comments. Thank you for all the people who give the video a like, for everyone who subscribed. So I want to do something special for this giveaway. Right now I'm aiming for probably early December. And I do have an idea of some of the things I'm going to give away, and I'll go ahead and clue you in on some of them. One of them I'm waiting on the manufacturer to get back to me because they wanted me to review one of their products, and I told them I would do it if they sent me an extra one so that I could give it away. So they said they'll do it. I'm just waiting on them to reply back, letting me know when they ship it. So more details will be coming, so definitely stay tuned. But anyways, one of the items that I am going to give away is actually a dash cam, and it's one that I did a review on, so it has been installed in my car. But it's a Vantrue dash cam, so I'm going to be giving that away. It will have a front and rear camera. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out to see if it's something that you're interested in. But I did want to try to give away items that everybody could use regardless of the year of their car, so I figured a dash cam would be a good one. And the other item I'm waiting on, I'm not sure which model years it will apply to as of yet, but I will definitely let you guys know. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, and we're going to get this thing put together. And like I said, early December is when I'm looking to do the actual giveaway, but I'll drop another update or maybe a community post or something like that with all the details on what you need to do to enter. Being a subscriber is definitely one of the requirements, and if you want to subscribe to our other channel, She Fast, hey, we'd appreciate that too. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive into today's video, and I'm going to show you guys real quick just how to install these, what they look like, and where you can get them if you're interested. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so right now when I open my door, you can see that I have the LED puddle lights in there. And they're super bright. I really like these because they illuminate the whole area right there. So this is a decent upgrade if you just want more light, give it that custom look. Again, I already did the LEDs that I could on the interior, in the front and in the back. But we're going to go ahead and swap these out. So let me get this camera in position. I'm going to show you how to pull these out and put the new ones in, and then we'll take a look at what we got. Alright guys, so to get this light out, you can use a flathead screwdriver. I'm actually going to use a panel removal tool. And basically you just go under here, pop it out like that, And that's pretty much it. This LED light actually came out in the process, but it's not going to matter because we're going to be removing this entire assembly. And so basically you just need to unclip this, and there's a little button here, if you guys can see right there, that you need to push in on. Then you can just unplug it, and then we're going to plug the new one in. So this is how the new ones come. They come in this little Ziploc bag here. As you can see, there's 2 of them. So when you get it out, this is what it looks like. And typically this is the piece here on the lens. There'll be like a plastic film there that actually projects the image, but this is supposed to use something like a glass, so it's supposed to not fade over time. So hopefully these last longer than the ones I had previously. So let's go ahead and get these put in. Alright, so now we can just take the new one here. So this is what it looks like installed. You can see that it's on, and then when you come down, you're going to get that 300 there. So it's nice and bright, shows up well. Of course, it's not as bright as the LED that I had in there, but you know, you're doing this mostly for the looks anyways, so not a huge deal. So if you want the looks, you can go with something like this. If you want the light, I'd recommend upgrading to an LED. Alright guys, so that does it for today's video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe if you aren't already. More content's on the way. I have one product that actually came in today. I just need to install it, read up on the instructions, and make sure I know how to use it before I do the video on it for you guys. But that video will be coming. Then I have a couple of other, let's just say, aesthetic mods that I'll be doing pretty soon here, so stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for your support, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.